Welcome to Integrated Systems Europe 2025 here in Barcelona, the world-renowned annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. Sarah here for InBroadcast at the ISE in Barcelona, and it's lovely to catch up with Peter from Telos Alliance. Peter, how's it going for you at ISE?
Great, it's our first time with an own stand here, and we got already good feedback the first morning.
So I suppose it'd be great to just start with a little bit of context for everybody. If you want to talk to us, we know that you usually sell to the media and broadcast industry, but you're moving into new areas now.
Right, so what we did for the broadcast industry is that we based our products on standards. So we do 702110, we do NDI, we do AS67, we do NMOS on the control side, control protocol side. And we figured out that these protocols are used also in the ProAV market, and this is why we are here. You know, we try to enlarge our horizon to, go different markets.
And is this the first time at the ISE?
The first time as exhibitor. So we have been here before as a partner on a stand, but it's the first time here with our own stand.
Okay, and you're excited about what the future holds then?
Oh yeah. We are excited. So first of all, it's big. It's really huge here, and also the feedback we already got on our products from the ProAV market this morning. It's great. So we did the right thing. We did the right move to come here.
And tell us about some of maybe the advancements in technology lately in your world, and maybe a glimpse into the future as to where you'll be heading next.
So what we are doing permanently is to try to get the pivot. Mainly we were a hardware manufacturer. So what we did over the last couple of years is to take our hardware appliances, put them on software, virtualize them, put them into the cloud. And this is a tendency we also see on the ProAV market, remote production, have a common communication coming from the cloud. And this is all what we're already doing. So I think it's a perfect fit, and this is why we are here. And to have a glimpse in the future, we straight go that way and try to virtualize even more and have more products available in the cloud and available all over the globe, which you don't have if you have only hardware appliances.
Now, there's lots of conversations happening at the stand. What exactly will you be showing people and demoing here?
So what we do have here is our communication platform, the Infinity, which is here as a hardware appliance, but also as a software, the virtual Intercom panels, the VIP panels from Infinity. So we show people, you can either use the hardware, but you can also go cloud and connect from everywhere. Then we show our cloud mixing console here. We show our cloud-based phone system, so you can call into the cloud and have then the ProAudio available. And I think that's something the ProAV market also needs, to connect to telephones in a professional way. And we provide that either as hardware appliance or also in the cloud.
So definitely a good decision for you to be here at the ISE.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the show, Peter. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you too. Okay, bye-bye.